Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and today we're on part 4 of our niche market series. So if you missed the first 3, scroll back and find it, or head to the blog rachelandngom.com/niche and you will find it. So tip 1 was to figure out what you're actually start. Know that you need a niche. Tip 2 was to, hold on. I can remember it. Check out your analytics, which is so key. Tip 3 was to find your sweet spot. Tip 4, do your market research. And right now, I want to talk to you about starting now. So clarity comes through action. You cannot think your way through this stuff. You can't think your way through your niche market. You just have to actually start and take action. And then through taking action, you'll figure out who you love to work with, what you hate to do, and you'll have so much more clarity moving forward. So when I first started She's Making an Impact, I thought, I'm going to help everybody. I'm going to do that. I really wanted to be that go-to Pinterest person. So I even started managing Pinterest accounts. And I figured out really quickly how much I hated managing other people's Pinterest accounts. And it felt like a job. I never would have known that if I didn't do it though. So I could have had, because I've had so many people asking me, Rachel, can you just do my Pinterest for me? And because I've done it before and I know how much I hated it, I could just say, no, but I can help you this way. I wouldn't have known that if I hadn't have actually done it. So clarity comes through action. I want you to stop thinking and to start taking action. And I wanted to give you some really quality examples of niche markets so you can see just examples in how you can really narrow things down, okay? So an example in the fitness space, new moms trying to lose the baby weight. This was my niche, my very first time I actually niched down in my fitness business, and I gained 65 pounds with my pregnancies. So I needed to lose the baby weight. So I just created a fitness group called Lose the Baby Weight. It was so successful because I had a very specific group of people I was targeting. Instead of saying, join my fitness challenge or whatever I was doing before, said, no, we're going to work together. I'm going to help you lose the baby weight. It really took off and it was awesome. How about hockey players with timed nutrition? So niche. What about triathlete nutrition and training? Or if you're going to be in the marketing entrepreneur space, teaching membership sites or Instagram stories or Pinterest ads. Other ideas, an accountant who specializes in expats who are self-employed. If you know one, send them my way because I need someone who is that niche and specializes in that. Or a gym for moms who need childcare. And maybe it has like a self-care wing or something. They're doing massages and nails or I don't know, but I think that would be so cool. Or dog training for abused dogs. My poor Zozo, our dog that we rescued, we got him at a shelter and he was so skittish and he still is and he's 5. And if we found some kind of training that was that specific, I would bring him in a heartbeat. So those are just a few examples for you. I hope it gets your wheels turning a little bit so you can figure out what your niche should be. Remember, the riches are in the niches. So pick your niche and just run with it. Clarity comes through taking action. So start now. Tag me on Instagram at She's Making an Impact if this was helpful for you. And if you haven't yet gone to shesmakinganimpact.com and grabbed my free Pinterest cheat sheet or signed up for my free Pinterest workshop, go do it. Go do it now, and I'll see you later.